Can you see my screen?
Let's see. Yes, we can see your screen. Yeah. Go ahead, Sifat,
Okay.
take it over. Yeah.
Give me 1 second. Given a month, I can tell you what season we're in. Enter a month. So let's say I say March.
Sifat, can you start by saying your name, what the project is, and then maybe explain your project?
Okay. Hi, my name is Sifat, and today I'm going to show you a month and season project. So first it says given a month. So given a month, I can tell you what season we are in. If you enter your month, so let's say I'll say September, or let me just say July. I said July, and give me a second. It is summer, and then it goes to the summer background. So basically, yeah.
So let me ask. So do you have to type in the full name of the of the month?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. I see. Well, that's really nice. Can you like put in? Let's put in. Let's say August. Can you put in August? Maybe not August. Let's put in January.
Okay.
Nice. Okay, good. So, what did you find most challenging about this project, Sifat?
The most challenging that I thought about this project was like making the if answers equal to June or October is equal to
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Good job, Sifat. Looks really good. Good choice of backgrounds there.
Wait, can I show mine next?
Armin, it's not your turn yet. We will get to you, okay? So
I wanna show
Yeah, thank you.
all right, thank you, Sifat. Harman, you need to mute yourself for now. I will get to you, okay? It's not your turn yet. Okay, up next is Navjot Sidhu and Navdeep. I think you guys are working together. So can you guys share your screen, tell us your names, and then tell us about your projects as well. Okay.
How do I share a screen? Yeah, we just downloaded it and it wasn't working. So can we just tell you?
Let's see. Do you see the on your Teams? Do you see Microsoft Teams? Do you see a box with the arrow in it?
Yeah.
Can you click on that and then it should share your screen?
No, it just says desktop sharing isn't supported in your browser yet. Meanwhile, the desktop app already has it, so why not give that a try?
Okay. So in that,
it should say use the web app instead too. Click that.
Okay, so I'm not sure what's going on there. So, okay, yeah, go ahead and tell us your names and what your project was, and what did you guys find, the most difficult about your project?
Okay, so we were doing a project. My name is Navjot, and my name is Navdeep, and we were doing a project, the Bell project. So it's like, so when the bell's clicked, it moves around. And this one we kind of did in class, so I modified it. And so when you click the bell, it moves, and then I made an arrow that moves with the bell, and then the arrow says tapped, and then the arrow moves with the bell, and then I'm trying to it's not letting me, but I'm trying to make the bell go in any way, and I try to make it's so what was hard about this? It was actually that modifying the tap button to move with the bell.
Okay. So can you actually so I'll actually share my email with you. Can you email us your project later on? Not right now, but at the end of the class.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you guys.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Up next is Karanpreet Sandhu. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Okay. So can you share your project with us and start by telling us your name? You know,
my name's
what your
Godfrey, and like my project's about like people racing like in a track. So yeah, it's like
can you can you share your screen with us, Karan?
yeah.
Okay.
Can you guys see it?
Let's see. Yes, we can see your project. Yep.
All right, so this is like my project, and like whenever you want to start, right? This is what it says. Welcome to trash race. Yeah, trash race. Track racing, and then you just go like forward. Whenever you touch the white, it does that, and then like see now it says go. Like now you can start going to like whatever direction you want. I'm moving two at the same time if you want to. And then whenever you bump into another guy, right, it gives them a head start than like what it actually is. Oh yeah. And then whenever you finish, it says like you finished and stuff like that.
Can you actually finish it all the way?
All right.
Okay. So are you controlling both of them right now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So the football player got ahead. How did that happen?
Me pressing forward with my
Oh,
control stick
I see. Okay, so you are not controlling the red person. The red,
anymore.
got it. Okay. Nice track there. Did you draw that yourself?
Yeah. It's like online though, like the picture.
Right, okay. Almost there.
See, you won. And then like you could there could be two people playing at the same time if you want to.
Okay, awesome. Awesome. So what did you find the most challenging about this project? What was the
Like whenever you
difficult
hit
part?
the white, right? It
Mm-hmm.
like it would like do stuff like that, but like not anymore because like you know how you say like when it touches white, you can't like go forward and it goes backward for you, like -20 and stuff like that.
Okay.
That's the
So,
hardest part.
okay, awesome. Looks really good there. Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Okay, up next is Harman Taliwal. Can you start by sharing your screen, telling us your name and what your project is about? Harman Taliwal? Are you there, Harman?
Hanji Virji, he's trying to share.
Okay.
yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, we can
Yeah.
hear you.
My name is Herman Singh Dhaliwal, and today I made an arcade game that many people like, and the name is Pac-Man.
So we still cannot see your screen. Did you share your screen with us?
Sure.
Just stop moving. Okay?
Can you see my screen?
Okay, looks like it'll work now. Just yes, we can see your screen now.
Okay.
Okay.
So you press this and you press space to start, and then you can move left, right, controlling with your left and right arrow keys. And once you press this power pill, then all of them you can eat. When they turn back to their original color, you can't. And when you hit the ghost, it circles around and ends the game. And you have 3 lives, but now I have 2 because they hit me once. And the objective is to try to get the cherry.
I see. Okay. So what did you find difficult? Most difficult about this project?
The most difficult part was moving all of the 4 characters, all the 4 ghosts.
Okay, so there's a
And my dad helped me with a little bit.
Okay, so there's a fixed number of ghosts, right? Only 4 of them?
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
They're all behind each other right now, but if you start the game,
Right.
then they all 4 come back.
Oh, okay. Wow, good job. That's really impressive there. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, up next is Harman Singh.
Yeah.
Harman, do you want to share your screen? Start by telling us your name.
I do, but my project doesn't work.
Okay, can you at least show us what you were trying to do and what it does so far? It's okay. It does.
Playing Pac-Man
There's
for so
There's only 2
This is a
problems
game.
which
my
one
time when it comes up.
easily.
Play Pac-Man.
There's only 2 problems in the in my project, but they can be fixed easily. But
Okay,
I don't know what's wrong.
Okay, so for now, go ahead and share your screen. Tell us your name, what the project was supposed to be, and what the problems are. Okay?
My name is Harman Singh, and today I'm going to show my project. So this is supposed to be a number guessing game, and then it says, oh wait, I need to click that, and now, and it says, hello, how are you? And then he asks you 3 questions, and then he says the numbers are 23 to 25. Guess the number. But this is one of the problems. So before, in the meeting started, and while we were waiting for students to come, I tried 23, 24, and 25, and none of them worked. They say incorrect for all of them, which I don't know why.
Oh, okay. I see. So what if you type, let's say 20, let's just type 24. Let's see what happens.
24.
What is this supposed to do? When you type in 24, what is this supposed to do? Like if the program was working correctly, what is this supposed to do?
Well, if 24 was the correct number, which I don't know, it would say correct. But if it wasn't, it would say incorrect. See, I will click the check mark, and it says incorrect. And now over here, it says I'll think of a number between 1 to 10, And pretty sure, because the other one didn't work, pretty sure this one won't work either.
Okay. Okay, I see. So I can actually at the end of all our presentations, I can actually help you out with that, okay? I can look at your code and we can try to find out what's wrong.
This is my code. So green flag, set my number to pick random 23 to 25, ask the questions, and then it asks if it's correct, my number, and incorrect. If it's correct, then it says correct. And then
Okay.
now it just says 2 questions. Now another game, and then between 1 and 10. And then the same thing as this, because if not correct
Okay.
to my number, then if
Okay, so we'll take a look at this at the end of the class, okay? So I'll need to look at it a little more carefully, so to find out what's wrong. But how many games do you play? How many games is your game supposed to play? How many different numbers do you have to guess in your game?
2.
Okay, 2 times. Okay, well that's great. I mean I like it. That you showed us your code a bit. That's good. So I'll actually come back to you at the end of the class, and then I'll try to help you out. Okay, Harman?
Okay.
All right. Thanks for explaining your project. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. So up next is Anch. Anch, can you share your screen? Tell us your name, and then tell us about your project, what you did. Anch?
I just have a little bit, but can I go after? Because I just need to do a little bit. Just need to fix
Okay, I'll come back to you then. All right. Okay, so up next is Anandveer.
Okay.
Okay, Anandveer, share your screen. Start us by telling us your name.
Wait, I have a question.
Right.
Harman, just a second. Okay, I'll take questions at the end of the presentations. Let Anandveer finish first.
My name is Anandbir Singh, and I did the ping pong project. Right here.
Okay, so how does the game work? What's the goal? What are you trying to do here?
So you can either just play this to beat your own score, or you can play with a friend. For instance, like when I start the game, wait, not this. So if the score is 0, I tap it, it goes to 1, then it goes to 2, right? And if it touches the red, it just stops the game even if I'm doing this. The paddle, it's following my mouse. See, my mouse right here, it's just following my mouse.
Wow, nice. That's really good.
When I click it, the score changes by 1. So if it touches the red, it's gonna stop. You can compete with your friends, oh, I got 1 score. So, and second friend goes, he's like, well, too bad.
Okay. So you would basically take turns playing, game.
Yeah.
First you play, and then your friend plays, and then you compare your scores basically to say, okay,
Yeah.
I scored the highest. Okay, I got it.
And this is my code right here.
All right, really nice. Yep. Yep.
Should I stop sharing now?
Yep. Good job, Anandveer. Yep.
Thank you.
Anj, are you ready now?
Just a little bit.
Okay. Harman, you had a question? Harman Singh, you had a question for us?
Wait, is this meeting gonna be as long as usual?
It doesn't have to be. It depends on as soon as everyone is done presenting, I'll dismiss you all, right? But I want everyone to finish first.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm just waiting for Anj to show his project, and then I think he'll be the last one. So in the meantime, if anyone else wants to share more about their project, you're welcome.
Can we do the problems for my project while we wait?
Okay, go ahead, share your screen then. Ansh, let us know when you're ready, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead, Harman. I'll actually let the class figures help you out with this, okay? So I want the other students to look at Harman's code and help him out here, okay? So I want the other students to help Harman out with his project here. Answer. Okay, can you scroll up a bit, Harman? I'm reading through your code. I mean down. Sorry, down a bit. Yep. Okay. And can you go to your variables?
Okay.
Go to
Variable.
variables. Okay. Click on my number. Check the my number box. Checkbox. Check it. Check the my number.
Right here?
Yep.
Yeah.
Check that. Okay. So let's
But then
see here.
it says the answer.
No, that's fine. I just want to test it, right? So let's go play your game. Play your game.
Hello, how are you? Okay, I'm just gonna do okay for the question so we can skip through.
Okay, let's type in 25.
25.
Yeah, it works, right? It's working. Type in 9. Type in 9.
No, we're waiting. Now it is 10.
Yep, that's fine. So it seems like it's working, Harman. It is working just fine, right?
I know, but we need to hide the answer.
Right, that's fine. That's where the number guessing comes from, right? We don't want to show the user your answer or
Yeah.
your number, so that's fine.
How do we
I just
hide
wanted
it?
to just go uncheck the box. Just like you check the box, just go uncheck it.
I know, but then it won't work.
It does. You just have to. The reason you get it incorrect is because you actually did get it incorrect. It is working. It's working just
now
fine.
Let's do 25. Now it doesn't.
Well, no, it's not. It's because you're not guessing it correctly. That's how your game is, right? So maybe the number was 23. Maybe the computer thought of the number 23.
Now let's try 24.
Yay, it worked. It worked, right? So your game works just fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now you know all of my code, so you know that I presented it good, right?
Good job.
So now-
Yeah, good job, Harman. Good job. Yeah, your code is working just fine.
So that was my present, right?
Yep, that was your presentation. Yep, thank you.
Okay, I'll stop sharing my screen.
Navdeep, are you still able to share your screen with us? Can you find out while we're waiting for Ansh?
We actually tried, but my dad was just trying to download the Teams, but it's just not letting us.
So are you using the same laptop that your project is on?
No.
Okay, so can you actually try, logging into Microsoft Teams on the same laptop that your project is on? It seems like you are using two different devices. I think so. Can you actually work on the same laptop? So try that out. If it doesn't work, that's okay. You can always email me the project, but I'll actually send you my email. Okay.
I'll just email it to you because We actually tried that too, but it wouldn't do it.
Okay. All right. That's fine. Ansh, can we now see your project? It's okay if you haven't finished it. At least share your project with us. Tell us what your project was. If it doesn't work, that's okay. Okay? Ansh?
Yes, okay.
Yeah, go ahead and share your project anyways. It's okay if it doesn't work. We want to know what your project was about, okay? Maybe we can help you out here. So,
Okay, can
so
you see
go.
my screen?
Yes. So start by telling us your name, what your project was about, and maybe try doing what the project is supposed to do, okay? All right.
Okay, so my name is Anj Singh Minhas, and my project is where different letters do something like
Can you bring up Scratch? We don't see Scratch there. Yeah, there you go. Okay. All right. Go ahead. Okay, can you tell us about your project a bit? Like what was the purpose of the project, or what is this? Is it a game, animation? What is it?
So I'm trying to make letters do different things to like they turn around and then they do like something else while they turn around. After they turn around, they do something like something else.
Okay, and so does it work? What's going on? What is is there a problem?
Yes. Okay. So the H doesn't spin or do anything when I try to do it. It only works when I try to press it. It only does that, but then it doesn't work.
Okay, so I see you're using broadcasting here, right? So the A works. The A seems to be working, right? The N is doing something.
But then the S doesn't even do anything.
The S doesn't do anything.
Yeah, the S doesn't either do anything. But it did before when I tried it.
Okay, so when is it supposed to turn? It seems like the S is supposed to turn and then move 10 steps, right? So when
Yeah.
is it supposed to turn? When it receives the message 3, right? So who's sending message 3 here? Message 3, when does it receive the message 3? Can you click on A? Can you click on sprite A? Okay, so you send message 1. So this one's sending message 1. Click on N, click on sprite N. Here you send message 2, okay? And then click on S. Here you're sending, so it's the S that was not working, right? So no one is sending message 3, right? So it's not going to do anything. You're not even sending message 3 from any of the other sprites. What is H doing? Can I see what H is doing?
I don't know what the H is, but
So H, okay, so that's why H and S are not doing anything because no sprite is
so
sending.
then you like have 4 or something.
No. So what needs to happen is one of the sprite needs to send message 3. Only then letter H and S will do something, right? Because you're telling them to do something when when message 3 is received. But anyways, I think that was a good attempt from your end. I like it. I mean, I think you learned something, right, today? That was a good attempt, Ansh. Thank you very much. So anyone else wants to share more about their project, or is everyone done?
Everyone is done.
Okay. Right. I did go through every one of your projects. So I was just asking if they wanted to share more about their project. If because we still have some time, right? But if if you guys are done, we can call this. We can call it a day. And thank you very much for your presentations, guys, and also your participation in the class.
Thank you. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki
Uncle
Fateh.
Ji, is there gonna be any more,
Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
is there gonna be any more computer classes?
Not over summer. I think they'll start back in. I mean, not back in September. Sometimes maybe end of September. Sometimes in September. I'm not sure about the date. I'm sure you'll hear about it. But we're done. This was the last class for this
Okay,
year.
Waheguru Ji Ka
Thank
Khalsa,
you.
Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
Right.
Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Thank you very much, guys. Good job.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye, Herman.
And thank you for teaching us coding.
You're welcome. It was my pleasure.
I really like coding.
Yeah, thank you. I mean, I'm sure there's more to learn, but you are doing great. Yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully I'll see you next year. All right.
Bye.
Bye.